Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will add the debit card now. Don't stall on basics. Open Wallet, tap the plus button, and choose Debit Card. You're doing this because Apple Pay tokenizes your card for security. Your real number isn't stored on the device. Enter card details manually or capture the card with the camera, then accept bank terms. Once done, complete any bank verification prompts that appear so Apple can link the token to your account. Once the card is added, you must verify it. This is the gatekeeper step. Follow the bank's verification method. Tap to receive an SMS code, approve in the bank app, or complete a short phone call. Verification proves you own the account, which prevents fraud. After verification, set this debit card as your default for payments if you want one-tap purchases, and check notifications and transaction alerts so you see charges in real time. Make sure billing. To pay in stores, double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, then hold the top of your iPhone near the reader. Wait for done and a check mark. For apps or websites, tap Apple Pay at checkout and pick your debit card. Confirm with authentication. If a charge fails, make sure the card shows active in Wallet and that the bank didn't place a hold. Open the bank app or call support. If needed, remove and re-add the card to refresh the token.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.